A very good evening to all present in moment of celebration. We cordially welcome you to MIT Institute of Design's annual convocation ceremony. Please put your hands together as we welcome on stage our esteemed guests of honor. Chairman of Kinetic Group, Mr. Arun Firodia. The Chief Operating Officer of L&T, Mr. Girish Vardadkar. Founder and Director General of Myers MIT, Dr. Vishwanath D. Karad. Executive Director of Myers MIT, Dr. Sunil Karad. Members of the Education Council, students, parents of graduating students, staff and faculty.
Now, let us welcome the people for whom we are all here, the graduating batch of 2013. We congratulate them while also wishing each and everyone all the very best in their future endeavors as they step into the world outside, into an industry that awaits their arrival with utmost eagerness.
Pratipadya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
MIT ID has established itself as a preeminent institution for design education by bringing quality-conscious, industry-focused offerings. Now I would like to enlist some of the achievements of the past year. Our Executive Director, Dr. Sunil Karad, was the recipient of the Visionary Leadership Award instituted by Asian Confederation for Business with CMO Asia as its strategic partner and Starts of Industry Group as a research partner. Now I'll just list down some of the achievements that have been done by our students and the faculty. Ajay Kale won the first prize for rocking chair. 9 of our students were winner of the I Award in Chennai. Our alumni Sudhanva Chauhan and Tilak Roy, Mohit Yadav, Rishabh Bhardwaj, Sharanya Nair, Parin Sanghvi, Susovan Majumdar and Sarovar Syed. 4 of our students were runner-up in that competition. Dhwanil Chudgar, Tanmay Palve, Ashish Sanklecha, Pranay Ratan and Vaisak A.N. Bhuvin Khursija was the winner at the Lumia Acoustica event held by Channel V Nokia IndaFest 2013. Nikita Kanade was the first runner-up at the final selection round of World Skills India 2013 competition, which was held in March 2013. Farid Bawa, graphic design, and Parvati Pillai, alumni animation design. Their work was published in Curious magazine. Prajakta Kulkarni, graphic design, had her work published in Do Work Publishing Company Limited in Hong Kong. Assistant Professor Prithashva Pushkar, HOD Retail and Exhibition Design, had been featured on India Art and Design. The ISCD department participated in the Index Furniture Fair 2012 at MMRDA grounds in Bandra, Mumbai. The institute participated in the Indo-German Urban Mela in 2013 in Pune. Neelam Das graduation project, the Bandra project, was published in the Mumbai Mirror and exhibited at the Unbox Festival in India Design Forum. A film directed by Akhil titled A Reflection won the Best Student Film Award in Siam Medut's second short film festival held in Pune. Professor Paresh Chaudhary presented a paper on environmental typography in response to Indian culture at Design Education Asia Conference 2012 in Hong Kong and also at Typography Day 2013 at IIT Guwahati. Harshit Desai's paper on India and business towards a symbiotic relationship has been published in Design Education Asia Conference 2012 in Hong Kong. Chaitanya Kachare and Harshit Desai presented a paper on ground-up vehicle development towards harmony in design and engineering at DDEI Conference in 2013 in Pune. Amit Deshmukh presented a paper on integrating space design education and industrial design education with holistic approach, again at DDEI Conference 2013 in Pune. And the last bit of announcements are in association with Priti Vyas, who's sitting here. Her design studio had constituted this award, which is called Designomics Award 2012. The winners were Ajinkya Barve for product design, and the winners of merit were Harshini Zaveri for product design, Birva Mehta, Soham Bhaumik, Saloni Kancholia for UI and UX design, Avantika Agarwal and Ninad Kale for packaging design, Bharat Singhal for retail design, Ashish Sanklecha, Kishore Kumar and Tapan Agarwal for public space and environment planning, Kishore Kumar for brand identity. My congratulations to all of them to bring prestige to this institute.
Many number of students have shown a great achievement, and possibly that achievement which has been a reflection of their creative mind. I request you and appeal to you, friends, you must never forget the family, your mother, father, the mother institution and Mother India.
Before we move on to the giving away of the certificates, we would like to officially release the Design Annual as customary every year. The Design Annual is a directory that documents the work of the graduating student body along with their contact details, making it easy for people in the industry to assess them as well as access them.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are humbled by the presence of Mr. Girish Vardadkar, our guest of honor for this day. Mr. Girish Vardadkar is the Chief Operating Officer at L&T Integrated Engineering Services. We would like the privilege of having Mr. Girish Vardadkar share a few words with us.
My congratulations to all the students today who are graduating, and even more to the parents who have provided this privilege to the students. What we would like to see in the industry is the passionate designer, a person who is making the design a lifetime companion. Congratulations once again, and thank you very much, the founders, the members here, for inviting me today for this great evening.
Now comes the moment when we accredit our convocating students for their years of relentless efforts, determination, and dedication with their well-earned rewards. Akshata Bhargav, Sneha Khubani, Rohini Sawant, Utkarsha Mahajan, Product Design Abhay Marwa, Aditi Khanorkar, Ajay Kale, Amod Gijare, Anuja Gadre, Apurva Gadgil, Jaisal Mehta, Mohit Yadav, Pankaj Khamitkar, Rajesh Mohandas, Sharanya Nair, Snehal Bhangale, Vibha Saini, Vasu Agarwal, Transportation Design Neil Umrigar, Praveen K, Vinayak Dhage,
Animation Design Anandya Mathur, Dharmesh Satapra, Mihika Karve, Nishit Vyas, Pooja Prabhakaran, and Saurabh Roy. Film and Video Design Akhil Khande Parkar, Graphic Design Angad Singh Brar, Apurva Vardarajan, Gargi Pandit, Garima Nagpal, L. Jackie Singh, Khushdeep Kaur, Nivedita Kamath, Parul Jain, Priscilla Makwan, Priyanka Dandekar, Rohan Barua, Sarthak Batra, Suhasini Chopra, and Swati Vare. And now for Strategic Design for Business, Alok Thakur Desai, Muzammil Hussain, and Rachna Saha. Animation Design Alok Revi, Lakshmi Nair, Mrinalini Kamath, Nikita Prabhu Desai. Film and Video Design Madhuvanti Vaidya. Graphic Design Aditi Damle, Ananya Iyer, Anjuman Gill, Charul Shah, Divya Kaushik, ईशानी देशपांडे, फरीद बावा, जोआना थलियात, किशोर कुमार, मल्लिका बुद्धिराज, मुक्ताई जोशी, नलिनी मंगवानी, नम्रता नारायणन, निखिल नायर, प्राजक्ता कुलकर्णी, पृथा कुलकर्णी, रश्मि बत्तासे, रोमा रूपानी, रुचा भंडारे, सई वजे, सखी बंसल, समृद्ध सेठ, श्रिया कुलकर्णी, सौरभ गर्गे, सौम्या गर्ग, सुरखी माथुरु, स्वर रायसिंघानी, वेगा निकेत, and Vidhisha.
Interior Space and Equipment Design, Madhavi Munot, Natasha Jain, Tanmaya Rao. Product Design, Aditya Doshi, Ajinkya Maldikar, Apurva Kochargaonkar, Arnav Wagh, Ashish Sanklecha, Bhavesh Soni, Chinmay Kerkar, Dhanashri Valimbe, Gandhali Mane, Hina Trivedi, Komal Badhe, Mayuri Khare, Mitika Kabra, Nikita Ghugri, Nilay Bhandari, Pankti Shah, Pooja Lakwal, Polimi Mehta, Prasad Gore, Pratik Ranka, Riddhi Avalani, Rutuja Mehta,
Retail and Exhibition Design,
Bharat Singhal, Khushali Khatalia, Lipi Patel, Neelam Das, Sudhanshu Taneja, Transportation Design, Chaitanya Shete, Deven Khatri, Nikhil Mansukhani, Pranay Ratan, Samar Naik.
We will now give away the prizes for the best students. Postgraduate batch, Product Design, Rajesh M. Transportation Design, please put your hands together for Neil Umrigar. Interior Space and Equipment Design, Akshata Bhargava. Animation Design, Pooja Prabhakaran. Graphic Design for L. Jackie Singh. Film and Video Design, Akhil Khandeparkar. Strategic Design for Business, Muzammil Hussain. I now request Mr. Arun Firodia to give the Best Award student to the undergraduate students. Transportation Design, Nikhil Mansukhani. Interior Space and Equipment Design, Tanmaya Rao. Product Design, Tapan Agarwal. Animation Design, Lakshmi Nair. Film and Video Design, Madhuvanti Vaidya. Graphic Design for Sakhi Bansal.
As our chief guest, it is our honor to have with us Mr. Arun Firodia, the chairman of the Kinetic Group. We request you to share a few wise words with us.
First of all, let me congratulate the outgoing class for having done excellent work. Innovation means not just product design, but also means promoting and marketing your product. So finally, I would like to say, do something different. Don't do what everybody else has done. Do something different. Do it differently. But always make sure that you make a difference in the life of the people.